Hey guys, glad you could join me tonight. I am just heading back from doing a quick chore, and I wanted to show you guys how wet and miserable it is out here right now. So we're just passing by the Welland Transit Terminal, as you can see, and it's been going pretty steady for about a little while, maybe approximately an hour. It's currently, I think, around 7. Holy crap, it's only 5:30. But seeing as it's Sunday, this is all closed today. 5:22 Sunday. Can you believe it? 5:30 and it's dark as a hobo's armpit. I'm going out to St. Catharines tomorrow, and I'm hoping that it's not going to be so wet. Although who the hell knows? Temperature-wise, it's chilly, but as long as you have a good decent jacket, waterproof preferably, it is raining, you should be all right. This jacket I'm actually wearing, the one you saw in the reflection there, was from my good friend BJ, who I incidentally still actually owe a couple $100 to her for it. It is a beautiful jacket, and I've actually enjoyed it about 2 seasons now. I had agreed to do her lawn maintenance for the year, and then someone else had actually done the work. So way I see it, I still owe her for it, so I got to at some point get moving on that. Alright. I guess I should ask how the vision is, if you can still see, even though it is rainy as heck. Anyway, just a short video. I definitely wanted to include you on my walk, and I know it's not a special video or very exciting, but we get to spend a little time together, and you get to see a little bit of my neighborhood while it's actually rainy and not actually very nice out, because I show a lot of those kind of videos, and it's a good contrast, a good comparison. All right, so I guess this is it. I'll see you on the next video. Leave a like and a comment if you must, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks a lot for joining me. That sound you hear is me walking up the stairs and into my place. Have a great night, guys.